the donation is important. No, we recognize that. And in fact, it augments the resources of the national government. But the national government is not dependent on donations. Kinamig di siya yung budget, especially for quick response fund. But the point really is, kay yun nga kung doon ay mga panghitabo, ang mga tao gusto yung mutabang. So the donations portal was created to give you a platform online for easy steps para ma-channel properly and ma-manage properly ang mga donations. So currently, I'm sure kani among 3.1 billion nga nadawat, mao na ning gatuyo karon labi na sa panghitabo sa daghan kay yung earthquake or disasters and now with Jensen and andam gyud. In fact, if you will look at our warehouse in the BDRC, we made sure that there is 300,000 food packs ready at any given time. In the whole country, with my discussions sa secretary yesterday, I think we have around 4 million food packs available for the whole country. So your donations will really boost our capacity to respond immediately.